Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb turn up and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb turn up can mean to increase the amount of sound, heat or light produced by a piece of equipment by pressing a button or moving a switch. Alexandra was trying to read a book, but she was distracted by a noisy neighbor. I wish they wouldn't turn the music up so loud. I can't concentrate. During winter time, the house gets very cold. Can you turn up the heating? It's freezing in here. Another meaning for turn up is to come or go somewhere, especially unexpectedly or without arrangement. After the country administered COVID-19 vaccinations, barbershops allowed walk-ins instead of necessary bookings. There's no need to book. Just turn up and we'll cut your hair. It was Philip's birthday on Sunday and he stayed out all night. Philip didn't turn up for work this morning and he hasn't even called. Another meaning for turn up is to find something lost, hidden, or unexpected by looking for it. Amy has a terrible habit of losing things. I lost my bank card a few weeks ago and had to order a new one, and then it turned up in my car. I'm so silly sometimes. The police were searching everywhere for the missing woman, which eventually ended in bad news. The woman has turned up dead. Our condolences go out to the family. Another meaning for turn up is when something happens unexpectedly or by chance, like a stroke of luck. The man lost his job. His wife is consoling him. Don't worry about it, honey. Stay positive and another job will turn up soon. Every day has been getting harder and harder for this man. I'm hoping something turns up soon. I can't take this anymore. Another meaning for turn up is to make a piece of clothing or part of a piece of clothing shorter by folding the material and sewing it into position. The woman bought the dress from the shop without trying it on. I didn't try it on, and now I have to get it turned up because it was too long. The little girl is getting ready for her mother's wedding. The dress fits me now, but my mother had to turn it up in order to make it fit. Another meaning for turn up is to open a fold along the edge of a piece of clothing. The woman was feeling quite cold in the winter evening. I think I'll turn up my collar as my neck is feeling a bit cold. The guy always felt cool before he went for a night on the town. Once I turn up my collar, I feel like a new man. So, let's summarize. Turn up can mean to increase the amount of sound, heat or light produced by a piece of equipment by pressing a button or moving a switch. You should turn the light up on your phone. The screen is very dark. Turn up can also mean to come or go somewhere, especially unexpectedly or without arrangement. I wasn't expecting Rachel to turn up at the party, but here she is. Turn up can also mean to find something lost, hidden, or unexpected by looking for it. I've been waiting on my husband to come home from work, but he hasn't turned up yet. Turn up can also mean when something happens unexpectedly or by chance, like a stroke of luck. I've applied for 15 jobs today. Something is bound to turn up soon. Turn up can also mean to open a fold along the edge of a piece of clothing. The footballer's trademark celebration was turning up his collar. Where did you hear the phrasal verb turn up? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.